Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is, I was about to say November. Today is December the 16th. We are on one of two projects today. This is Miss Lisa. She did a paid in-home consultation about 2 weeks ago. I came out here. Now check this out, guys. Today we're just going to be doing the main areas because they have company coming over, family coming over for Christmas. So we're going to just be doing the cleaning, buffing. They have Brazilian cherry floors and also their granite countertops today. But they also scheduled for me to come the second week of January, and they're going to do the entire house screen recoat with UV cure. Then after this job, we have to go into Buckhead for the condos that I did about 2 years ago, and every time they do like a move in and move out, they have me come and do the wood floors with the UV cure. Yeah, let me show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so it's a beautiful day out here in Buford, Georgia, not far from the shop, about a 20-minute ride from the shop. So we're just getting prepped on this job, show you what we got going. And then tomorrow we also have two jobs tomorrow. I had one yesterday. I did 3 in-home consultations. Did have a job, but it was a repeat client, and they had to postpone. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is all these floors right here. Just going to clean them and buff them. We're not doing any bedrooms. I'm going to do this little right here. Not moving any furniture. So that's the only service you can get the floors done. And then this hallway right here. So just clean and buffing. But the floors definitely need a screen or recoat because they are lacking finish. And all through here. And these countertops right here in the kitchen, and then this hallway right here, and then this area right here. So all right, guys, job probably take us maybe a couple hours. Then after this, we're going to shoot the Buckhead and do the screen and recoat UV cure for one of the apartments. All right, guys.
Yeah. We out here in Buford, Georgia. Nice home. Real nice home. They call me Truman, Courtney Lee. Wood floors, granite countertops. This ain't my first time. They don't hire me cause I'm the cheapest now. They hire me cause I know what I'm doing. All them YouTube videos, all them Google reviews, they already told the story. That's why I'm right here again, taking care of that pool. Summer Nova. Sunlight falling on that hardwood grain. Floors humming like a slow freight train. Clean it gentle, buff it smooth. Bring that shine back to the room. Granite cool, yeah, solid stone. Polish it up till it glow like chrome. Seal it right, let it hold that shine. Good work show every time. They don't hire me cheap, they hire me blues. Hire me cause they tired of losing. When you want it done right, when you want it done true, you already know who to call. Truman do. They don't hire me cheap, they hire me best. Put my name on it, yeah, I passed the test. From the wood to the stone, watch it all come through. Buford, Georgia, shining with that Truman blue. Slide guitar, cry while I make my rounds. Scuffs fade out, hear that old floor sound. One day service, shine stay long. That's why my name stay humming in a blues song. Phone keep buzzing, 5-star shine. Reviews read like a testimony line. Who did your flows? Answer real fast. Courtney Lee, Truman. Yeah, that's clear. I don't rush it. I don't guess. I do it right. And I let the work talk. They don't hire me cheap, they hire me blues. Hire me cause they tired of shortcuts and to the stone, brand new view. Another home singing the tune of blues.
Get your boys. Hey, all right, guys, we are wrapped up with Mrs. Lisa. Her floors came out great. The floors, they didn't have wax on them. They did have a lot of residue, as you saw in that dirty water. Again, these type of clients, they have made home cleaning services. And sometimes, guys, I'll tell you, you got to be careful. Hold on, guys, 1 second. There we go. Sometimes you got to be careful with your cleaning services, because sometimes they'll cross-contaminate. They might go clean at someone's house, bring the same mop and stuff over to your house, or they use the same, they use the incorrect products. And one of the products I think was used on this floor was Murphy floor soap, because there was a lot of residue. But you can just see how much better the floors look now. Now, I will say the floors would need, they are going to get them sprayed and recoated, so we can get some more finish on them. We also got the countertops done, which is really good. And Ms. Lisa, what day did you say you guys want to schedule with the spring and recoat? January the 12th. Okay. So this is just done. This was just for the holidays, the clean and buff, which I got. I think one tomorrow. We got 2 clean and buffs Mondays, and actually one is a repeat client. And this is the time, guys. A lot of people do take advantage of the clean and buffing for the holidays. So floors came out great. So me and Tavares is about to head to Buckhead and take care of an apartment of the, I forgot the company, but they hired me about a couple years ago, and they was very impressed that we can save those floors. So we're gonna go do another one for them today. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.